extra HOTT spells hot. That's what these cases are. Shout out to Nimbus9. Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Nathan Hall and this is the Gadgets and Greatness channel. Thank you for joining. As usual, if you like what you've been seeing, please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified when new videos are being posted. Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you these new cases for the Galaxy S10e brought to you by Nimbus9. They were kind enough to send these out for the XS Max, the LG V40, and the Galaxy S10e. So as you see, we've got two different colors. We've got the Series 2 in red and the Series 2 in a midnight blue. Okay, so real quick, we've got the S10e right yonder. With that glass body, you want to make sure that you have a case. So let's start with this red one. I like this Series 2 case. Number one, it is military grade rated, so it's good for drops. I like that branding on the inside and the outside. Check that out. Openings for the camera holes, volume controls, power button, all that is there. Headphone jack, headphone jack. Charging port, speaker grill, all that is there. This little piece right here in the bottom is also magnetized so that you can use it with your magnetic car mounts. Nimbus9 happens to make one especially for these Series 2 cases, so if you're so inclined, check out their website and you can see what they have to offer. All right, let's put this phone inside the case. As usual, I like when the cases have a nice firm fit, and this one definitely does. Nice and firm. I like to look at the lippage. So if you drop that thing face down, these raised lips will protect the screen. So this has some nice lippage, as I like to call it. I like the opening here for the fingerprint and the power button. Volume controls, Bixby button access, and of course those mighty cameras. This is like a smooth matte finish, but it has a gloss to it as well. It's matte, but in a certain light, can you see how it kind of just almost has a, I don't know, I don't want to say translucent, but it has that effect. In different lights, it gives you different shades of red, but it's matte. It's not a gloss. So it's real cool. All right, so you've got this here for your fingerprint opening. Pow. There you go. Let me go there. So to open it up, let me power it off real quick. Show you again. Pow. Oops. Pow. Pow. There we go. Pow. It's not reading my thumb as well. I will say this opening does, if you have a larger finger like me, I'm 6'5" with big hands, this opening and my thumb, I have to get it just right. Whereas with my finger on the opposite hand, a little bit quicker access to open it up. You see that? Was no trouble. And then you've got Bixby button there. Oh, you got a whole Bixby. I've never used Bixby. I'm thinking of doing a video introducing myself to Bixby. I've only always used Google Assistant, never Bixby. But that works. As you see here, you can do the volume up and down. That works just fine. Go to the camera app. As you can see, there's no obstructions to the camera opening. If I snap a photo, pow. When we look at it, you can see that the camera is not obstructed at all by the opening of the case. So that's the red, and that is cool. Again, it has military grade drop protection so that if you drop it, the phone will be protected by this case. And it's really a nice tight grip. I like that. So it's not gonna just slip out real easily. Let's see what that blue looks like. Real simple. Oh, look at that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Slide that in there like so. And then this is the blue version. Midnight blue. Look at that finish. It's also matte, just like that red, except it doesn't have the gloss kind of effect like the red does. It's just straight matte. But look at that. I love the branding that I talked about before. Inside, same branding, Series 2. Again, shout out to Nimbus9 for sending these cases to me to try out and review. So same deal, power button, pow, so much quicker. Yeah, my concern with this particular case is just you got larger fingers on that, on that thumb. You got to get it positioned just right. But anyway, that's that. Again, same deal. Camera openings are just the same. Bixby button, just the same. Volume up and down, very responsive. No issues. Just like that. We'll take another picture. See what we think. Pow! Look at that red, that's hot. No obstruction, as you can see. Perfectly framed for the camera lenses. No issues at all. All right, so those are the Nimbus 9 Series 2 cases for the S10e. You gotta enjoy that look. That is beautiful. Speaker grill opening, perfect. USB opening, perfect. Headphone jack opening. See that landscape switch, portrait switch on that S10e. Man, I just love the S10e. But anyway, that's the case. Beautiful red, beautiful midnight blue with the black accents. And here's a surprise. If you like these cases, let me know in the comments. I'm going to give these away. If you have an S10e and you live in the United States, what I'm going to do is give one of these away. Or give them both away, actually. I'm going to do a giveaway for these Nimbus 9 cases. Nimbus 9 was nice enough to send them to me. I'm going to pay it forward and hook somebody up. All you have to do to win this contest is be a subscriber to this channel and leave a comment in the comment section about why you use cases. I will come back with another video and choose the winner. So, special giveaway just for you. Channel is growing and I just want to show my appreciation. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, Nimbus 9, hit them up. Link below. Man, you got to like that finish. You got to like that case. This is hot. Extra HOTT spells hot. That's what these cases are. Shout out to Nimbus 9. All right, guys. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.